Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last 2 days and how the gold price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the price of gold from 2010, you can see that the gold price at this particular in 210. After that it has made a high in August 2011. Okay, after that continuously it is in the downtrend, then made a particular range and from there it made a high. Okay, and this high we can see has came in August 2020. Okay, made a high of around 2076, and from there we have seen it is continuously in the downtrend, have not touched a level of 2076. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, if you look at the chart overall, we can see a U pattern is forming. Okay, now this U pattern's high, one high is around 1927 and the another high is coming at around 2076. Okay, and after that we have seen a sharp fall in the price of gold, and this fall is from August 2020 to till now it is continuously falling. Okay, and if we look at the chart, a pattern is forming, a cup pattern is trying to form. Okay, in this gold. Okay, so probability if this level sustain, that means now trading at around 1806. If this level sustain goes above a level of 1816, then we can see it can go further high. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 1816. Okay, sorry, 1811, and from there we can see a level of 1816. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 1834, and this level is already tested here, so chances of going towards 1853 will be very high. Okay, and then probability will be high that we can see a cup pattern forming in the gold. Okay, so towards we can see a level of 1858, and from there we can see a level of 1881 also. Okay, before that 1872, and this 1872 is already tested here, so chances of going toward a level of 1876 will be high, and from there we can see it can go to a level 1909 also. Okay, this is a month chart I am showing you. Okay, so if it goes above this 19 towards a level of 1909, if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1937 also, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1960 also. Okay, but that means if the level does not sustain this, then what we can see, it can go and touch a level of 1783 also. Okay, and suppose if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1755 also. Okay, and then what we can see, a trend will break downside. Look at the chart, we can see a trend towards this will break a downside and can go to a level of 1750. Okay, and if the price didn't sustain a level of 1770, we can see a level of 1753, and suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1739, and from there we can see a level of 1722. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1708, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 1679. And this 1679, I have already told you, keep this in mind. If the price comes close to 1680 or 1690, we can see it can go and break a level of 1690, 1679, because these levels are already tested here. So we can see it can go fall further to a level of 1668, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 1612. This is the month chart I am showing you. Now I'll show you 15 minutes or 2 hours chart there, where you will understand clearly how this pattern is moving. We have seen that the trend is an upside. Okay, suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can go to a level of 1810 also. From there we can see it can go to a level of 1816, and if the price sustain of this level, we can see a level of 1822, and from there we can see a level of 1828, and these levels are already tested here, so we can see it can go further high to a level of 1830, and from there we can see a level of 1835, and from it can go further high to a level of 1843. Okay, once if it crosses 1843, then we can see it can go to a level of 1848, and from there we can see a level of 1853. Okay, and then we can see further high. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1800 also, and if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1793. Okay, and from there if it goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1784 also. Once this level comes down to 1784, then we can see it can fall to a level of 1779 also, and from there we can see this particular range will break downside, and we can see a level of 1764 towards a level of 1752 also. Or any doubt regarding this, I've already told you, you can mail me anytime, we can discuss on it. And now understand one thing. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, okay, always try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital. That means this is your capital you are trading with per trade, 10 to 15% of capital, and your risk should be 0.5 to 1%. That means $50 to $100. That suppose if you take 5 trades, you know your risk. If you lost in 3 trades or even 4, you know your risk, then you can take properly your 4th trade or 5th trade, okay, and it will not disturb your mind to in order to recover that amount. So okay, any doubt regarding this, I do workshop also, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.